Hey everyone, welcome back to PandaBoo Designs. My name is Brenda Kay and I'm the owner of PandaBoo Designs Planner Shop on Etsy. And today I have an unboxing video, kind of a last minute video. So you will see my regular plan with me tomorrow, but today I thought I would film this, try to do it quickly while Reese is occupied. I was going to film it earlier while he was sleeping, but I got busy with work, designing and everything, and now he's awake, so hopefully we can get through this without too much interruption, but we'll see. This particular company I have been a fan and a follower of for many years, ever since they first started. Over the years they have experienced tremendous growth. They have a beautiful product that I have always wanted to purchase but never could justify the cost because I have been given planners and I use those for work and for designing and things. But this particular planner is what got me through my first year and a half of massage therapy school. They offer a free printable when you share their company online. You get access to their free printable library. So that's how I've always used it. But I've always wanted one, and I just couldn't justify the cost right now. And but they do a program called Buy One Get One, and you apply, you write out what having this particular planner would mean in your life and how you would use it in your story, and then they choose people. For every planner they sell, they give one back. If you know who this company is, go ahead and comment down below, because I think they're a pretty well-known company. They're not one of the fancy ones, but they have a good, solid product. And anyway, I got email notification 2 days ago. So today is Friday, or Thursday when I'm filming this. I got the email on Tuesday that they had chosen me to receive a planner. And let me tell you, I almost cried. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little unboxing, kind of a flip through of this, and show you guys what I got, because I can't believe what I got. All I did was take it out of the box. It came in a priority mail box, and then in this envelope. So I just took it out and I slid it, or opened the envelope, and here it is. It's a Passion Planner. It's the classic size, dated 2018 Passion Planner. So it is an 8.5 by 11, so it is large as far as paper size, but it's actually fairly narrow. It's not bulky. Beautiful leatherette cover with their classic logo. Like, I am just completely in awe of this planner. But yeah, so we'll just do a quick flip through. And then when things quiet down a little bit, I will do a pen test and I'll come back and show you. I probably won't get through that while Reese is up, but I'll write out a pen test and I'll show you guys. I'll tag that on at the end. But yeah, so when you open it up, here's your front page. They have down here in the corner, one planner for you, one planner for another. So when someone purchases one is donated. They donate to schools, they donate to different organizations, and also to individuals, which I got one. I am in complete awe, you guys, so if I ramble a little bit, I'm sorry. You have your welcome page with you can put your name here. 100% recycled paper, and the paper, you guys, is actually really hefty. Like, it's a thick paper. I'm impressed. So turn the page, tells how you will benefit from the Passion Planner, different ideas about how this planner works. Here's a place for like some motivation. So what motivates you the most? What is your biggest goal? Write some encouragement to yourself. I already know what I'm going to put there and possibly there. And then there's a little bit about the company. And this is what I think makes the Passion Planner and makes it unique, is the Passion Roadmap. So it can be anything that you want to focus on for the year. And I'm planning on doing this actually in a couple different areas of my life, and probably either putting them in the back or taping them in here just so I have them up front. But you lay out your goal and the date, and then 3 months, 1 year, 3 years, and a lifetime, like how that looks as it plays out. And then you take one element from that, what would be the biggest game changer for you right now, and you write out how you're going to achieve that. And when I've done this in the past, it completely changes the way I approach my day, approach my life, and really helps me break down some of those bigger goals and accomplishments that seem out of reach and break them out into manageable pieces. And then it tells you how the planner is set up, why it works, and then how, kind of an idea of how to break it down from your passion roadmap to your smaller roadmap and put it out into your week and work it out in your life. And you have your calendar overview, so 2018, 2019 calendars. I keep petting the paper. It's very smooth, like it's extremely smooth. Holidays, space of infinite possibility, which is fun. You can use this for notes, you can use this for art, for whatever you want. This paper, be curious to see how this paper takes watercolor. And then you have your months. So you have your focus for personal and work, nice big space to write things out, people to see, places to go, not to-do list, personal projects and work projects. And then you take one of your goal for the month and you break it out in how you're going, like a mind map, and how you're going to accomplish that for the month. And then each week is an hourly layout from 6 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. You have a focus for the week, place for gratitude for good things that happened. There's always a quote and always a challenge focus for the week, personal to-do list, work to-do list, and space of infinite possibility that you can decorate or use as a notepad or whatever you need for the week, to-do list, those kinds of things. And each week is the same. Oh, you also have a today's focus. This is dated, so what I may do is go, because I'm committed to using just my hybrid bullet journal system for Lent. So and Lent started yesterday, so I have, 6 weeks before I can use this. What I may do is go back and just play in it, just back plan, try some different things, see how it looks. Kind of mock plan with me kind of idea. But yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And the end of your month, you get a monthly reflection to just, how did the month go? What went good? What didn't go good? What can you change? How are you different? Things you're especially grateful, things you can improve on, and then kind of breaking out into the next month. So this is where you'll take, when you do your review, you take your next month's game changer and you break it out on your space in your monthly view, so you have it in front of you all the time. And then when you get to the middle of the year, it has a bookmark. I love the green satin ribbon, personally. Yeah, there it is. You get a passion roadmap for like a mid-year check-in, see how things are going. And there is a huge airplane flying over. I live near an airport, like a major international airport, and big airplane coming in for a landing. Anyway, so that is all the same. And then at the end, you also get an end of year reflection, kind of the same ideas and questions, just kind of making you look back over the year. You flip through your planner and see what worked, what didn't, and where you've come from. Then you get a bunch of blank paper to use for notes or journaling or artwork or I don't know, whatever. And then you get a bunch of, get a hold of it here, of graph paper here, and then on the back is just the seal of approval, so it's been hand inspected and everything is good to go in it. And you get a nice little pocket. It's a paper pocket, but it's covered in satin, it feels like. It's gorgeous. And your elastic to hold it all together. And oh my gosh, you guys, I just can't get over how fabulous this is, and I am completely in love. And I'm not going to abandon my hybrid bullet journal, at least not for the next 6 weeks. I have to give it a good go, and I'm really liking that, but oh my gosh, this is just amazing and beautiful, and yeah. So I'm going to go check on Reese, make sure he's still quiet. I will do a quick pen test off of camera, and then I will come back and show you guys how that went. Okay, so I am back. I did do a pen test. I went to the back of the planner, and on just the last page of graph paper, I took a bunch of dark colored pens, went all with black and whatever I had the darkest color of pens and markers that I have in my collection that I use regularly, just to see how they would fare in here. So I have everything. I have Pilot Precise V5 pens, Papermate Flare, Microns, EC markers, Sharpie pen, Friction pen, brush pen. This is the Artist Loft dual tip marker, the watercolor markers from Michaels, Uniball Signo, a regular Sharpie, which probably isn't fair for a planner, but thought I would try it. Crayola's Pit Artist pen, Papermate Ink Joy, not gel, just a regular ballpoint, at the Pentel, and Inner Gel, and then Zig, and just thought I would try them all and see. And as you can tell, the only bleed through is, this would be the Sharpie, because I can see the writing. This would be the Sharpie, and this would be the Pit Artist brush pen. That is the only bleed through I had. There's a little shading on the dual tip marker where I colored it in with the bullet end. But other than that, nothing really, there isn't a lot of ghosting, nothing really shows through, which I am impressed. Even that Sharpie, like, I was expecting a lot more from the Sharpie than that, but, and that is an ultra fine point. I didn't have a heavier one at hand that I could try it out with, but I'm still impressed. Like, that's pretty impressive. So yeah, there is my passion planner. You can expect to see this in the future, and like I said, I'll be playing with it, and I'll probably do some flip throughs as I complete months in it, because I want to go back and play with it and try some different things. But there it is, and I can't wait. I will probably do some designs for it. I know there's designers out there who design beautiful sticker kits, but I don't think there's a lot of printable passion planner sticker kits, so which is my thing, so I'll be doing that. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in my next video.